Yeah. Come down here. If I'm pussy, you scared? You scared to come down the mountain, B? What's up? Don't be putting your fuzzy ass in my face, nigga. Come down here right now, nigga. What's up? Cause I know he was scared to come down. I knew it. So then he was like, I hyped him back. I'm about to come down right now. What's up? So you know me. I'm hyped. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go to goats. You know, little boy with me. He hyped. His mother hyped. And then the bear starts to crawl down. Yo, he slipped and then he fell. We was like, damn.